Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can join a faction on the Marvel Rivals game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Marvel Rivals game on your device, and once you open it up, you will be taken into the home page. Now in order to join a faction, you will need to play a few matches which will unlock the tournament mode. Once the tournament mode is available, just click on the tournament tab. You will now see the view factions as well as the create faction button. Click on the first option in order to view the various different factions that are available. You can also search by using the search box at the top. And once you have found a faction that you wish to join, just click on the apply to join button at the right side. This will then send a request to the faction member or admins. And once your request has been accepted, you will become a member of this faction right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to join a faction on the Marvel Rivals game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.